Good morning. Really quickly, I'm going to do a short video on how to clean your soldering iron tip. This goes for a soldering gun tip, soldering iron tip, soldering pencil, whatever. Take a damp, normally mine is soaking wet, and you just get all that dirty solder off there, all that dirty metal. I've never actually burnt a sponge doing this, but I just use old sponges that aren't too worn, that have been used, have retired from washing dishes, and then they're used as a rinse rag for soldering tips. You're not going to be able to do this when it's cold. You're going to have to do this when it's hot, and then do it a million times, and you're done. And that's how you do it. Same with the soldering gun. And we're almost done with this video, I promise. So, when you're cleaning, or when you're soldering, you normally want to clean it so then it's easier to solder the next thing, but you do want a little bit of goob of solder on the tip, like when you're right there in the moment getting ready to. At least that helps me, because it's right there, easy to get to, and you don't have to fondle with the soldering gun, solder the thing you're soldering, and like when you're wiring a microphone plug, you have two things you're messing with: the wire and the plug, and the solder, and well, that's more like four things, but you have a lot of stuff you're messing with in the process of just trying to do one task. Let me replace the lights in this. They're not working. This one should be clean, but I figured I'd just show you for example. This one has it was really interesting when I put those tips on this, how it works. But anyways, have a great day. I just wanted to show you all how to clean your soldering gun iron